Today we will be testing a crypto scalping strategy. Who am I? I am DP Roberts, and for years I've been testing hundreds of strategies and indicators, and I'm testing more every single day. I've compiled all that information into spreadsheets and used it to create a profitable trading strategy with a custom indicator. And we have an amazing community over on Discord where we help you become a profitable trader. If you are interested in getting access to the spreadsheets of all the indicators and strategies that we have tested, as well as a free trial to our custom indicator, you can just sign up for our Patreon down below. Alright, as I said, today we will be testing a crypto scalping strategy. Before we do though, I wanted to put the testing scoreboard up for everyone to see. So to date, we have tested a total of 451 different strategies, with 139 of them being winners. The best one so far was able to achieve a 100% win rate. That was achieved using the Academy of Forex indicator to trade the crypto scalping strategy that I'll mention in this video on a live trading account. And so far, since we've been keeping track, it has outperformed 350 of the other strategies that we have put it up against, every single one so far. We've also tested a total of 1,061 indicators, with 442 of them being winners. Alright, as I said, today we will be testing a crypto scalping strategy. And so the source video says this half trend indicator buy low, sell high, which shows market tops and bottoms. It's a little bit of a strange title there. Hard to really make sense of it. But it seems to be implying that this specific indicator shows the market tops and bottoms, and that it should be good for reversals, I'm assuming. And so nonetheless, we'll put it to the test and we'll see what we can get out of this strategy. And so the first indicator we are going to add to the screen is actually going to be the uptick signal density cloud. This one right here. Go ahead and click on that and add it to the screen. And we're going to jump into the settings and we're going to go into the styles. I'm going to scroll down to the very bottom. We're going to uncheck these three selections right here. Then click OK. The next indicator we are going to add to the screen is going to be the half trend indicator, the half trend Heikin-Ashi indicator to be exact. This one here. Go ahead and click on that one and add it to the screen. And we are going to jump into the settings of this one, and the only thing that I turned off was the tables. Then click OK. And so what we're looking for a long trade is we are looking for when the density cloud, I guess we'll call it, which is the purple cloud looking moving average here, when it switches to this light blue teal color like it does right here. And you can see when it makes that switch, it also changes the candle coloration. So you know when the switch actually takes place on the exact candle. And it does so on this one here. And when it does that, what we want is we want the half trend moving average line, or the half trend line, I guess you could call it. We want it to be colored green like it is here. And once those two line up, that'll be the signal to enter into a long. You'll put your trade right there. You're going to put your stop just right at the half trend line there, and then you're going to target a 1 to 1.5 risk reward, just like so. Let's go ahead and play this forward and see how it plays out. And it takes just a little bit run into consolidation for a good little ways, and then it makes this nice push to the upside, getting us to our take profit. And for a short trade, what we are looking for, so we're looking for when the density cloud switches from the teal bluish color to the purple color like it does here. And again, it changes the coloration of the candle when it does so. And when it makes that shift, what we want is the half trend line to be blue. Now it's kind of hard to see because it's actually buried in behind the density cloud. But if we hover over this candle right here and we look at this number right here above my mouse, you can see that it is that bluish color that we are looking for from the half trend instead of the green color like right here. And so that'll be the signal to then enter into a short. You'll put your trade right here. We're going to put our stop right at the half trend line, or the density cloud in this particular case as well. And we're going to target that same 1 to 1.5 risk reward, putting it right about there. Let's go and play this forward and see how it plays out. Alright, so again we run into consolidation, then make this really strong push to the downside, getting us to our take profit once again. Alright, so that puts us at the end of the testing right there. Before we take a look at what this was able to achieve, if you are interested in a profitable trading strategy, I highly recommend that you check out the best strategy that we have tested so far. It's been able to achieve in the high 80% win rate, and coupled with the position management strategy that I'm teaching all the patrons, skyrockets the win rate to the high 90%, consistently around 99% over hundreds of trades. You can click the link up in the corner now. It'll take you to that video on the strategy. I'll also put a thumbnail of that video up on screen now, and I will link to that same video at the end of this video. Alright, let's go ahead and go over the numbers on this strategy. So we did the 50 trade test like we normally do, and out of those 50 trades, we had 22 winning trades and 28 losing trades, putting it at a 44% win rate. With the 1 to 1.5 risk reward, if you were looking to gain $600 per winning trade, your total gain would have been $13,200. On the losing side, you would have been risking $400 per losing trade. Your total drawdown would have been $11,200 for an overall gain of $2,000 altogether. So not a horrible strategy, but also not a amazing strategy either. Now compare that to the Academy of Forex indicator. During the same period of time, we did 39 trades altogether. We had 34 winning trades and 5 losing trades. It's going to put it at an 85% win rate. If you're looking to gain the same $600 per winning trade, your total gain would have been $20,400. And on the losing side, you would have lost $6,000 for an overall gain of $14,400. So definitely better results. And if you were to use the position management strategy that we teach all the patrons, it would increase the win rate significantly. The total gain would have been closer to the $20,000, and so definitely better results. You can get a free trial access to the Academy of Forex Indicator when you sign up for a Patreon down below, and $15 a month maintains access to the indicator after the trial plus your Patreon status. We will also teach you a position management strategy that will skyrocket the win rate of the Academy of Forex Indicator to the high 90%, and show you how to get access to a crypto broker that will give you over 100 times leverage on the account with no ID requirements, almost wherever you are in the world, all but guaranteeing that you will be successfully trading with our systems within an hour. We've also developed an additional crypto scalping strategy, and coupled with our position management strategy we teach all the patrons, was able to achieve over 200 winning trades in a row in backtesting and dozens of winning trades in a row in live testing. To view that video, click the link up in the corner now. It'll look like a little circle with an eye in it. Click on that eye, it'll take you down to 2 thumbnails, and click the thumbnail that you see on screen now. And an update on the live trading account. So we are still at winning trade number 70. That's 70 winning trades in a row. I'll put a screenshot up of that trade on screen now, so that way you can take a look at that. That's using the position management strategy and the crypto scalping strategy that I mentioned just a moment ago. In backtesting, combination was so powerful, did over 200 winning trades in a row before it finally took a losing trade. As a matter of fact, we're confident in its ability to make you a profitable trader. We're offering a money back guarantee. If you join our Patreon, you're not profitable within the first month, then we will give you your money back. You can join our Discord and check out the money back guarantee right here if that's something you are interested in. Alright, that's it for this strategy here. We're going to go ahead and put this one on the yes list, and we'll move on to the next video from here.